Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror and wondered, why do I have my father's smile, but my mother's eyes? Or maybe you've noticed something that doesn't seem to come from either of them. A unique trait that feels like it appeared out of nowhere. Well, there's a profound reason for that, and it's not just a coincidence. Deep inside every single one of your cells, there's a secret book, a story written in a language far too small for the naked eye to see. That book, that incredible story, is your DNA. Think of your DNA as the ultimate, hyper-detailed instruction manual. It has the complete guide that not only built you from a single cell, but also runs and maintains you every second of every day. Every page, every line, every word in this microscopic code contains the precise instructions for how your body should grow, how your heart should beat, and even the specific shade of your hair and the color of your eyes. It's the blueprint for the masterpiece that is you. Here is something that will absolutely blow your mind. If you could take the DNA from just one of your cells and stretch it out, it would be almost 2 meters long. That's taller than most people. Imagine that 2 meters of pure biological information, folded with perfect, mind-boggling precision. Inside the tiny nucleus of a single cell, it's a feat of molecular engineering that puts our most advanced technology to shame. This incredible structure is what we call the double helix, and it holds the key to everything you are. This elegant spiral staircase, the double helix, is built from an alphabet of just 4 simple chemical letters: A, T, C, and G. Adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. It sounds simple, right? But don't let that fool you. The specific sequence of these letters forms sentences and paragraphs, and those are what we call genes. Each gene carries a specific instruction, a command to build a protein, to control a bodily function, or to determine a physical trait. There's a gene for your blood type, a gene for how efficiently your body digests food, another for your potential muscle strength, and yes, even one for your eye color. Together, tens of thousands of these genes work in perfect harmony, like a flawlessly conducted orchestra, each playing its part with perfect timing and purpose to create the symphony of you. So, how does this orchestra get its sheet music? Genetically, you are a perfect 50-50 split. Half of your DNA comes from your father, and the other half comes from your mother. You inherit a complete set of instructions from each of them. But here's where it gets really interesting. Traits don't always appear in predictable ways. Sometimes, a dominant version of a gene, like the one for brown eyes, will mask a recessive one, like the one for blue eyes. This means a recessive trait can stay hidden, passed down silently for generations, only to reappear unexpectedly one day, maybe in a grandchild's smile or the unique shape of their nose. That's why you might see a child with beautiful hazel eyes, born to a brown-eyed dad and a blue-eyed mom. It's the genetic lottery playing out in the most fascinating ways. Think about it. Each of us is a living mosaic, a beautiful and complex fusion of thousands of genes passed down through our ancestors. Your infectious laugh might be a direct echo of your grandfather's, your curly hair a gift from your mother, and your artistic talent, well, maybe that comes from a great-uncle you never even met. All these pieces, all these stories from the past come together to create you, a genetic masterpiece that has never existed before in the history of the universe and will never exist again. You are, quite literally, one of a kind. So, the next time you catch your reflection, take a moment. Remember that you're not just seeing yourself. You're seeing a living library, a chronicle of generations of life stories, all intricately written in the universal language of DNA, because inside every single one of us, there's a book still being written, a story that continues with every breath we take. You are the current chapter in an epic saga that stretches back through time. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey into our own biology. If you found this as fascinating as I do, please give this video a thumbs up. And do UN forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do UN. Miss our next exploration into the wonders of our world. Until next time, stay curious.